Imagine a place where the laws of physics break down, a place so strange that not even light can escape. We're talking about black holes, a realm where reality itself warps beyond recognition. But the big question is, what's actually inside a black hole? Today we're diving into some of the most mind-bending theories that will make you question everything you know about the universe. Black holes start as massive stars that collapse under their own gravity, condensing into an incredibly dense point called a singularity. It's so dense, in fact, that its gravitational pull warps space and time around it, creating what's known as the event horizon, the point of no return. Let's talk about what might happen if you fall into a black hole. Spoiler alert, it's not pretty. Physicists call it spaghettification. As you get closer, gravity stretches you like a rubber band, literally pulling you apart atom by atom. But that's not even the weirdest part. Yep, you'd be transformed into a thin strand of particles, essentially cosmic spaghetti. Bon appetit. Now here's where things get really mind-bending. Some scientists believe you wouldn't just be stretched, but also burned by what's called a firewall. Imagine an intense wall of energy at the event horizon that could incinerate anything trying to enter. This theory is called the firewall paradox, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in theoretical physics today. Fire or spaghetti, the choice is yours. But here's where things get truly wild. Some theories suggest black holes could be gateways to other universes. Yes, seriously, if you could somehow survive the journey past the event horizon, you might be transported through a wormhole, a cosmic tunnel, connecting our universe to another one. Imagine an entirely different universe with different laws of physics. Who knows what could be waiting on the other side? But here's the twist. What happens to all the information, like your particles, after you fall in? In the 1970s, Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes might actually destroy information, a huge no-no in the world of physics. This idea is known as the information paradox, and it's puzzled scientists for decades. More recent theories, however, suggest that information might be stored on the event horizon, almost like a cosmic hologram. So, are black holes cosmic shredders, or are they hiding the secrets of the universe in plain sight? And here's one last theory that will blow your mind. What if black holes are a glitch in the matrix? Some scientists argue that the weird behavior of black holes could hint that we're living in a simulation. Think about it. Black holes could be the program's way of hiding parts of the code that don't add up. Could black holes be the universe's way of concealing what lies beyond the veil of reality? At the end of the day, black holes remain one of the biggest mysteries of our universe. They could be cosmic crushers, portals to other dimensions, or maybe even proof that our reality isn't as real as it seems. So, what do you think is inside a black hole? Could it be the ultimate mystery, or are we simply not ready for what lies beyond? Let us know your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending content.